AI video generation is entering a new stage of development. As multimodal AI continues to evolve, creators are gaining new ways to combine different types of creative inputs and bring ideas to life. Among these emerging innovations, MiniMax H3 is exploring a new approach to AI-powered content creation. What is MiniMax H3? MiniMax H3 is a multimodal AI model that can understand text, images, videos, and audio. It combines different types of information, understands complex creative instructions, and generates high-quality video and audio content. H3 supports up to 15-second videos, 2K resolution output, and native stereo audio generation. This means AI is no longer just generating visuals, it is beginning to understand the entire creative process. Capabilities and applications. The biggest breakthrough of MiniMax H3 is its ability to understand relationships between different modalities and transform creative ideas into complete video experiences. Whether it is turning reference images into videos or combining audio, motion, and cinematic camera language, H3 can understand complex instructions and generate more realistic and coherent content. These powerful generation capabilities make H3 useful across a wide range of creative fields. In filmmaking, it can help creators quickly produce cinematic scenes, concept designs, and visual previews, turning ideas into reality faster. In advertising and e-commerce, brands can use H3 to create product showcases, animated posters, and more engaging marketing content. In gaming and digital content creation, H3 can also generate character animations, dynamic interfaces, and immersive visual experiences. From creative ideas to final productions, MiniMax H3 is making AI video creation simpler and more efficient. In the future, users may only need to describe an idea, and AI will understand their needs and help complete the entire process from concept to final production. MiniMax H3 is not just an AI generation tool, but an intelligent creative partner that understands your ideas. And for creators who want an easier way to experience AI video generation, there is exciting news. MiniMax H3 will soon be integrated into HitPaw Edimakor. In the future, you can simply bring your ideas into Edimakor and experience the powerful video generation capabilities of MiniMax H3 with ease. AI is continuously transforming the way we create, and MiniMax H3 is making it possible for every idea to become reality. Stay tuned for more AI creativity updates and experience the future of video creation with HitPaw Edimakor. See you in the next one.